Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back to Ngupi, ngobrol penuh inspirasi bareng Tunah Kanak. Alright guys, this episode is really special. Do you know why? Because our guest today speaks English more than bahasa Indonesia. So, the podcast today will be full in English. Do you want to know who he is? Let's greet him. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. And
You're
how
fine?
about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. First of all, because this is our first time of meeting, so we have to know each other, and then you have to introduce yourself to the others.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Please.
Okay. I want to introduce myself. Okay. My name is Salman Farizi, and you can call me Salman. And I don't know from LPK Tunah Kanak directly to invite me to join in this podcast and at morning.
Okay. What can I call you?
You can call me Salman.
Salman, Mr.
Yes.
Salman.
Yes.
Are you now the student of Tunah Kanak?
Yes, I'm still study about the barista
All
here.
right. What class are you now? What class are you in?
Either this morning in the last my class in the barista.
So?
Maybe after I finish in barista, I want to improve again my English.
You want to improve your English
Yeah, I want
again?
English.
I think your English is good enough. Why do you want to improve your English?
Yeah, because I think my English not very well. So I want to improve again.
Okay.
So if I meet with the native speaker and I can speak and do well,
All right.
then right now.
Okay, guys. So our guest today is one of our students in Tunah Kanak Training Center. He is Salman.
Yes.
Where are you from, Salman?
I'm from Sumbawa.
You're from Sumbawa.
Yes.
All right. For your information, our training center is located in Lombok, exactly in central Lombok, and he is coming from Sumbawa. Oh, Mr. Salman,
Yes.
how do you know Tunah Kanak? Where do you get the information from?
I know Tunah Kanak from my father.
Mm-hmm.
My father told me, and in the Lombok there is one company about the barista, and my father know about the LPK Tunah Kanak from his friends because his son process go to Arabic from here from LPK Tunah Kanak, so that my father want to send me also in Arabic.
So your father know first about this training center from his friend.
Yes.
Okay. Why are you interested in joining Tunah Kanak?
Because it's in Tunah Kanak, we are not just study about barista maybe or English. They learn about attitude and how to speak with another people and what the condition in another country and abroad, so that we have to discipline here and we have to one time, and in the LPK Tunah Kanak so many proof about the people going to abroad,
Okay.
because in new era we know so many companies is not real, so many fake.
Oh, so many fake.
Yeah, so many fake.
Okay, where do you see? Where do you see it? Do you see it on social media?
Yeah, I see in social media and in breaking news.
Alright.
So many people go to abroad, but they come in Indonesia just the name.
Just the name?
Yeah,
Or
just
what
the
do you
name.
mean just the name?
I don't know why. Maybe because he interested in join in some company, but this company is not real. It's fake. Yeah,
Okay.
so that why I interest in LPK Tunah Kanak, because not just one or two people going to abroad from LPK Tunah Kanak. Have so many people going to abroad from this LPK Tunah Kanak.
Okay, because you are talking about going abroad. You are coming from Sumbawa, right?
Yes.
And then how long do you have time for get to here?
From Sumbawa, maybe 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yes.
By boat, ship.
Ship.
Okay. Where do you stay now?
I'm staying in boarding house.
In the boarding house.
Near with LPK Tunah Kanak because I don't have motorcycle.
Okay. How long have you been studying here?
About 1 month.
Okay, almost a month.
Yes.
Almost a month. Okay.
Almost.
Since you start studying in LPK Tunah Kanak, okay, what do you get? What experience do you get here?
I got so many experience here. The first is I have to disciplines and I have to one time and I met with so many people here and so many again I got here. Moreover, I stay in boarding house.
Okay.
I stay alone. So if I wanna do something, I do by myself.
Okay.
It is I got here, and yeah, about what will I do? What should I do if I go to abroad? And they teach me about it.
Okay. You said that you are staying in the boarding house. It means you have to engage with the villagers around here.
Yes.
Yes. Do you feel helped by them? I mean, like when you want to do something but you don't know how to do it, maybe some of them help you?
Yes. And the owner is this my boarding house. Is if I need something maybe or I need to eat or I don't have soap to wash my clothes, and they always give me, and I like it because moreover when in Idul Adha, because I stay alone in
Okay.
in my boarding house, so that they give me food for eat at morning because they not open the stall.
So we don't need to be worried even we are coming from another island. If you want to study here in Tunah Kanak, you can stay in the boarding house and you have many people to help you. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Mr. Salman, what is the most memorable moment you have in LPK Tunah Kanak?
I have most memorable in LPK Tunah Kanak when I start study barista.
Okay.
When I start
What's
study
that?
barista, yeah, because in the first day until the finish, I just do same.
What's that?
Make coffee and a milkshake.
Okay.
Always until 9 o'clock until 5 o'clock at afternoon. Every day, different in the English class because English class is not very long, just 2 hours. So that I feel tired in barista in the class barista, and I feel bored.
You feel bored sometimes,
I feel
okay.
bored, but I still push myself to do make coffee again and make again until right now is the last day. The exercise my coffee in barista.
So this is the last day?
Yes.
And you are going to have examinations?
Yes.
Yes. What do you feel about the examinations?
I feel I don't know what I don't know, yeah, because
Nervous?
yeah, I'm nervous. I'm still nervous, and I don't know because the first time I become barista like this.
Okay, this is your first time, so
yes.
I think everyone will be feeling nervous in front of the camera. It's
Yes.
like what we are doing now. I'm a little bit nervous too, but we can overcome it little by little. Okay, Mr. Salman, after learning here, what is your goal? What is your purpose? What do you want to do after learning here?
After I learning here, maybe I don't directly go to abroad.
Why?
I want to train first my skill maybe in some coffee shop
Okay.
maybe. Yeah, just 2 months maybe or 3 months, and then after this, I'm going to abroad.
Okay, it means you are going to prepare yourself before
Yes.
going abroad. Okay, because everything needs preparation, right?
Yes.
Yeah, no, nothing is really instant in
Yes.
this world. Okay. Let's talk about English because I see you can speak English that fluent. Let's talk about English now. What do you think about learning English? What is your opinion?
My opinion about English is English language is so very important, right, in our life because we know English language is the language of the universe.
Yes.
Because if you know about the English, wherever you stay, you can speak with another people.
Correct.
And then, uh, because my purpose, my goals, I want to go to abroad so that I study English and I practice English.
Yes.
And study English is not really hard.
Not really
Not very hard.
Okay.
You have to make habits in your life, and you speak English. If you not, maybe you don't study English, but you always practice English. One word maybe or 2 words. It's okay. One of the tips, you can speak English.
Okay, that's one of the tip from Mr. Salman, guys. So you can practice English every day, so that you can speak English fluently. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Just like what people say, when we master English, that the half of the world will be in our hand. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree.
Yes,
with
you agree with that. Why?
that. Because we know the native speaker and the American, they not just stay in American.
Yes.
They are in Indonesia, in the Germany, and the Portugal maybe, or out of countries.
Okay.
So that, like I say before, you can speak English wherever you stay. It's not. It doesn't matter for you.
It doesn't matter. We can stay everywhere.
Yeah, you
when
can
you
stay
master
everywhere
English.
if you can speak English because English is not. I think English, out of peoples in world can speak English.
Yes.
Even just a little bit, yeah, just little bit, but they can speak English. I think like that.
Okay. What country do you want to visit the most?
For right now, maybe in America maybe, or in Europa maybe.
Europe.
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Salman, sorry, but how old are you now?
I'm 21 years old.
You're 21 years old, really young. You are so young. Why don't you choose to go to the college?
Because why I don't want to go into college because if I think college is you have to money.
Oh,
You
right.
have money, and after you finish in your college, finally you're looking for money.
Yes.
So that I don't think about college, but I looking for a job and I get some money. Maybe.
Okay.
I get money.
You got money?
Yes, and then no problem if I not college, but I get more money from my job because so many students in college, when they in college, they are job in after college and looking for job, and yeah, why they not directly going to looking for job. I think like that. So
Okay.
I'm not really interested about college.
You are not really interested about college.
No.
Okay. Mr. Salman, how do you see yourself for 5 years later?
I see myself in 5 years. I become success. I become success, and what I want, I can buy this, and if I have cars.
You have cars?
I have cars, and I
Okay.
have house, and I can stay in my house, because right now I just stay in my parents' house.
Okay.
So that I want to make house first, and then maybe buy motorcycle maybe or cars.
Okay.
The
So,
point is next 5 years I want to become success.
you want to be a successful man.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start from here, from Tunah Kanak.
Yes,
Yes.
I want to start from Tunah Kanak.
Yes, you want to start from here. What is your hope for the teenagers around there or the young generation? What is your hope? Do you have any hope? What do you wish?
I wish in new generation, in new era, the first attitude.
Okay.
Because if I look, so many children, so many new generation in new era, they don't have attitude, even in their parents. If moreover in their friends, and yeah, maybe we back to their parents, they have to teach about his children, teach about attitude and how to talk with the old man maybe, and with the more, yeah, don't speak impolite, don't impolite in the parents maybe or the friends. This I wish the first, and the second is discipline and have to effort
Okay.
in their life, because they live just once. Don't waste the
Then what's
time.
the time?
Yes, then waste that time, so that you have to think about your future.
Okay, because somebody said that nobody can save us,
Yes.
but ourselves is. Okay, Mr. Salman, maybe this is gonna be my last question for you. Can you tell me 3 words that describe about Tunah Kanak Training Center?
Okay. 3 words for this LPK Tunah Kanak. The first is study.
Okay, study,
2 is attitude, and the 3 is discipline.
discipline.
Yes.
So those all 3 words you got from here
Yes.
already.
Because useless if you study but you don't discipline,
Okay.
and you don't have you study here every day until you tired, but you don't discipline. You're not disciplined, is useless for you.
Okay, I do agree with you. Okay.
And maybe you discipline here, but you don't want to study, and this is useless.
Good.
You study and you discipline, but you don't have attitude.
So all is useless if
Yes.
you don't have those 3.
Yes.
Okay. We have talked for a long time. Maybe you can have your coffee first. This is a fresh coffee from our training center.
Okay.
Let's have our coffee this time. He has talked about many things, so I think you are now feeling thirsty, Mr. Salman. You can have your drink first.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay. All right, guys. So we have talked about many things with our guest today. So what do you think? Do you want to learn English like him? So you can go abroad and you can go everywhere all around the world. Okay, let's learn together with us in Tunah Kanak. Well, guys, so don't forget to follow our social media on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, see you again in the next episode. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.